Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Providing Resources for Emergency Preparedness YouTube video. I got a question from a viewer who would like to know in detail how I calculate the denominations I retrieve from the bank. In my initial sinking fund video, I did not go into detail on that because I thought people would find it boring and it would make the video way too long. So I just did one or two categories. For the person that asked that question, I'm creating this video for her or anyone else who would like to see how to determine the calculations you need from the bank using an Excel spreadsheet. So let's get into the intro and we'll be right back to determine those funds. All right, so now that we have got the intro out the way, I'm going to start showing you how I use my Excel spreadsheet. So you've seen these categories in our financial preparedness one categories video, the real numbers video, and most sinking fund videos. And over here is how I determine my dollar denominations needed. So what I did was I set up an Excel spreadsheet with the dollar denominations that I get from the bank, and I made it calculate the totals. So you'll see right here, it'll be this cell, H2, times this cell. So it'll automatically calculate the numbers I need, and in the end, I'll have the total I need from the bank in the exact denominations I needed. All right, with that, let's get started. Our first category is cell phone. And with cell phones, we need $90 from the bank. So I would need 150 and 220. So I come over here, I click in the 50 cell, and I type equal $150 bill. So that gives me 150, and I'll type equal 2. That'll give me 220s. And you'll see that the number here matches the $90 here. All right. So next we'll go and we'll do car gas unleaded. I like to get those in 20s. So I'll click right here on the 20 and I'll add the 6 20s I need to get car gas. Next is car wash, which is a $20 bill. So I'll add just one $20 bill. All right. And if you hear clicking, that's just my mouse. The next category is car maintenance and savings. We use one $50 bill for that. I click on the $50 section and I hit +1. The next section is car tax, license, and renewal. We need $34 for that. So for that, I'll add a 120, 110, which is that is an equal, and 4 ones, which is equal 4. Excellent. And so all of this should add up to $314, and it does. So the next section is groceries and meals out, 715. So I need 7 $100 bills. I need another 10, and I need a 5 for $715. The next section is household. So for household, we allocate $67 a month. So for that, I need 3 20s. I'll add 1 5 and 2 singles. Next is personal care. For personal care, we need $73 a month. So I'll go to the 50 section and I'll add 150. I'll add 120, and I'll add 3 singles. All right. Next is our clothing. Next is our clothing. So for our clothing, I add $158 a month. So for that, I'll add one $100 bill, a 50, a 5, that's 1 5, and 3 singles. Oops, sorry, 3 singles. Supposed to be 3 singles. And let me double check my numbers. So this should all add up to 1327, and it does. Okay. Next is dry cleaning. Next is dry cleaning. Oh, sorry, I didn't grab my arrow. Dry cleaning. And I need a simple $20 bill for that. So I'll come on 20s. And I'll add 120. All right. So moving along here, we need moving budget. All right. For moving, we add $90 a month. And for that, I'll click on the 50 section again. And I'll add one $50 bill and 2 20s. All right. Next is miscellaneous. We add $150 a month to miscellaneous. So I'll add $100 bill and 150. All right. And as you can see, we like to double check. That adds up to 1587, so 1587. That matches. So we'll continue to move on. All right. And let me bring this down further so you all can see it without me scrolling. All right, so I just moved it down. All right, so next is our AAA membership. And for our AAA, we contribute $14 a month. So I'll add 110 and 1 4. And 4 ones, I'm sorry. 110 and 4 ones, right? Okay, make sure I got that right. That should be 1601, and that is 1601. Okay, next is our Costco membership. And we add $5 a month. So I'll click on the 5 section and add one $5 bill. Next is our Sam's Club. We contribute $5 a month. So I'll click on that and add plus one $5 bill. All right. Next is driver's license renewal. We contribute $10 a month. I'll click on the $10 section and add a plus one. All right, so now we're getting into our holidays. And I'll move this down again, so I don't have to scroll on you guys. Cool. All right, so New Year's, we add $15 a month. So for all of these right here, for all of these, we add $15 a month. So to make it simpler on myself and not go 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, I'll calculate how many I need. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 7 10s and 7 5s. So I'm going to highlight all of this, bring it down. And then over here, I'll go to the 10 section. I'll do plus 7 because I need 7 10s. And in the 5 section, I'll go plus 7 or 7 5s, right? And when we add all of that up, all the way back up, it should add up to 1,726. And this does. This adds up to 1,726, right? So next is Mercedes' birthday. I stuffed $20 a month for that. So I go to the 20 section and I add +1. All right, back to school is getting no money because I'm not going back to school anytime soon. Labor Day is getting $25 a month. So I will add $25. So that is 120 and 15. All right, my birthday gets $20 a month. So I'll just add 120. Halloween also gets $20 a month. So I'll add 120. All right, Thanksgiving gets $45 a month. So I'll add 2 20s and 1 5. Okay, and then Black Friday is getting nothing. Christmas gets $50 a month. So I add a simple $50 bill. So +1 in the 50 category. All right. So let me move my dollar denominations down so you guys don't have to scroll. Okay, try that again. So copy, or actually I want to cut. Okay. All right. So we got that moved down so you guys can see it better. All right. So next is Disney Plus. And I contribute $10 a month to that. So I'll go to the $10 category and I'll add +1. Right? Next is Netflix. Netflix, I contribute $14 a month to our sinking funds. So for me, that's just 110 and 4 ones. Next is Hulu. Hulu is $15, 110 and 15. Okay. HBO Max is 15. So that is also 110 and 15. Okay. And last but not least is Amazon Prime. We contribute $17 a month. So that would be 110, 15, and 2 singles, and 2 $1 bills. All right. As you can see, the total over here in this cell matches the total here. So if these two match, then this is what I put on a Post-it note, this area right here. This is what I put on a Post-it note. And when I go to the bank, I tell the teller I want to withdraw this amount of money here. And in these denominations, and that's how she gives me my cash back. So the money comes out of my account. $1,977 comes out of my account, and she gives it back to me in these exact denominations. Then I bring it home and I sync my envelopes. I hope this explanation makes sense. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below. You can always send me a private email or a direct message like she did. I want to thank you for watching another Providing Resources for Emergency Preparedness YouTube. If you're in the budget community or you would like to learn how to prepare for financial emergencies, keep watching. We're going to continue to share our journey in 2021 and our progress as we use sinking funds to get out of debt and to become financially prepared. Thanks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on your social media. I'll see you on the next video.